Hi, today in front of you OnePlus Nord 5G, and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So let's first open the box. We got here the the charger brick, the original one with all of the specs. Also the USB Type-C cable. And let's check also this paper box. We got here some paperworks like the quick start guide, safety guides, warranty card, and SIM jack tool. So there are all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.